Penagalang jong MP jong Katura Saleng Sangma Hakajiro Anates Matasni apa Lok Sabha Ulakantu ya kayeng dor ba thoan ba khamtam e ka sarkar pedeng ban penklan ya kajing para apa khaput namar kajing ja apa Bangladesh namar lai thu ba minin ka singi dagi spangot ke briu na ba Bangladesh ki pyrshang ba rongtu saka jalla Meghalaya kumta lokantu ya ka sarkar pedeng ba kan penklan ya kajing para apa khaput
पीछे में
हो गई आपकी बात आ गई श्री सालेंग संगमा
सर राइट नाउ
नाउ स्टार्ट योर नेम आहे
yeah sir right now thousands and lakhs of illegal immigrants from Rohingya refugees they're entering the state of northeast. We've got 2000 kilometers which is not even covered, so we need a preventive measures to be taken seriously by the sir by the central government. Sir, we don't have a proper security right now in our state, so thousands of people are suffering right now. Yesterday itself more than thousands of Bangladeshis they tried to penetrate the Meghalaya through the border illegally, sir. So through you, Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to apprise the Union Minister from the Home Department, at least try to take the preventive measures right now.
Shri Anurag Thakur. Thank you.